Alright, today we are going to talk about how to play piano 7. So, what is a Makossa groove, awilo, and many of them. So, this song is what we are going to talk about today, how to play it. So, first of all, for you to play the Makossa groove, you need to select some chord you have to play, like do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do, it is also giving number, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 8 is supposed to be 1 again because it's 2. It has back to reaching to another octave. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So from this number we are going to select chord. Like now, let us choose 1. Let us choose 1, 5, 4, 5. But in this case, I'm going to play from a second inversion. Okay, so I'm going to play with the beat for you to hear the rhythm. The rhythm is very sweet, which is so let us play with the beat. So this is how the groove sounds like. So now you can change another inversion, which is this. You can play the same groove. If you want to hear it with the beat, I can play it. Look at it. Same thing, but today let us talk about what makes it amazingly. For you as a beginner, what you have to do is that when you select those chords you want to play, 1, 4, 5, 4, 1, what you are going to do is that, I know that to finger while playing, you are not going to do it perfect. So all you have to do is to play the chord. Try to play it like this because for it to stress your hand will help you in a time to come of playing keyboard. You will really to stress your hand.